In the age of digital photos, there's something magical about having an instant print in your hand. Whether you're capturing memories at a party or snapping a quick photo on the go, these instant cameras in 2026 are perfect for capturing moments that last forever. Let's explore the best options. The Polaroid Flip is a fun, compact option that delivers instant nostalgia in a modern, portable design. This camera is simple to use, making it perfect for quick snaps and impromptu photo sessions. The square format prints give you that classic Polaroid vibe, and it's easy to carry around in your bag or pocket. The camera also features a flip-out design, which lets you take selfies or group shots with ease. It's a great choice for casual photographers, or anyone looking for a simple, easy-to-use instant camera that gets the job done. For more information and pricing, check out the links in the description below. The Lomography Lomo'Instant Automat Glass combines classic instant photography with modern features. With its sharp glass lens, this camera delivers high-quality, vibrant photos, capturing your moments in stunning detail. It's fully automatic, so you can point and shoot without worrying about settings. And it comes with multiple creative modes like long exposure, bulb mode, and more. The sleek, retro design makes it stand out, and the lens can be swapped for different effects. It's perfect for photographers who want more control and creative freedom with their instant photos. If you want the best of both worlds, old school instant photography with a new school tech, check the links in the description below for more details. The Lomography Lomo'Instant Square Glass is perfect for those who want to go a little further with their instant photography. This camera uses square format film, allowing you to capture a wide variety of scenes while maintaining the classic instant vibe. The glass lens ensures sharp, high-quality images, and the built-in flash guarantees you'll have the perfect lighting even in low-light conditions. Like its sibling, it offers multiple shooting modes, including long exposure and multiple exposure, giving you tons of creative flexibility. It's an ideal camera for users who want to explore more artistic possibilities with their instant photos. Check out the description below for full details and pricing. The Polaroid Now Plus Generation 2 takes the classic Polaroid experience and adds some modern touches. It offers improved image quality with a better lens and upgraded exposure control. You can connect it to your smartphone through the Polaroid app, giving you extra creative control including options for light painting, double exposure, and more. The camera still uses the iconic Polaroid instant film, but the Bluetooth connectivity adds a modern spin, allowing you to enhance your photos digitally before printing. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned instant photographer, this camera offers both simplicity and creativity. Check the links below for pricing and full details. The Fujifilm Instax Square SQ1 is a fantastic option for users who want a simple, reliable instant camera with a stylish design. With its square format prints and easy-to-use one-touch operation, it's perfect for casual photographers who want to capture and share memories instantly. The camera's sleek, minimalist design and vibrant colors make it a fun addition to any event or gathering. While it may not have all the creative modes of some higher-end options, the SQ1 delivers beautiful, high-quality prints with ease. If you want a simple, no-fuss instant camera that delivers excellent results every time, you'll find more information and pricing in the description below. Instant cameras are still as fun and creative as ever, and these models in 2026 give you a perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation. Whether you want simplicity or full creative control, there's a camera for you. Check out the links in the description below to find the best deal, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.